What's up, everyone? I'm Sparrow Knowledge, and I'm doing a quick makeup tutorial. And then later on, I'm going out for a Valentine's Day date. Black owned. First, I'm going to start off using my black-owned eye makeup from Juvia's. You can watch my full review on Juvia's makeup down below. So yeah, I am using my fingers to do this. It is early in the morning and I have to go to work. So I'm just going to use my fingers to do my makeup. It turns out great either way. So now that I have my eyeshadow on, I will use this black-owned makeup brand called Black Opal to do my foundation. I just bought this. I'm using 420 Nutmeg for the foundation color, and it looks awesome. Wait till later. Or you can fast forward, or you can just wait to see how I look. I think it's awesome. I'm using a silicone sponge here, and I'm using a little dab of makeup for the first part. I think I put 2 layers on just to make sure that's all on my face. I have a big face. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have every crevice with makeup. So this became my final look. I will be going out later, so just want to show you it fresh and see how it is throughout the day. Loving this foundation. Loving the eyeshadow too. Next is lip gloss, but here's a fast forward to tonight. I hope you enjoy. This Valentine's Day, my significant other decided to take me to the Universal Circus. The Universal Circus was founded in 1994 by Cedric Walker. You enjoy black culture while enjoying acrobats, animals, and performances. The performers are from all across the world. I encourage you to purchase a ticket on the website and not look at the footage on other channels and Instagrams. Support the Universal Circus when they are in your area. I really enjoyed the circus with my king, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe. Peace, love, and knowledge.
And this is an international cast of the Universal Circus. Hey, let's go. Always remember, when we say big top, you say circus, big top. Circus. Valentines for coming out.